Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So yeah, flag retested and a pretty solid break away from that that retest. Now I just want to get the swing high in here because that was also sort of top of range that was forming, so we do need to keep that in the back of our minds. And I just want to shoot across to the weekly because this is starting to be what I've been waiting for quite some time, should we say. So we have 110, 135, and 110 is pretty much what we're looking for here, and it's just looking extremely bullish. So we are breaking through all the structure, so I would expect us here to start breaking this consolidation of the last 2 years and get moving to the upside. So I'm getting extremely bullish at the moment. It's been a long wait, but definitely it is starting to get moving. So what we're looking for is obviously to buy into this. We don't want to be buying at the top. We're looking for structure lower down, and in typical breakout fashion, there isn't much structure. This is the closest bit of structure, which is at 109.624. So I would be cautious of jumping in long at this level, especially on the 3 hour. If you look at the oscillators, that's just indicating a warning. You need to wait for some kind of a pullback. So I would expect either a range or a flag to form for that second move up. And when we drill down to the 1 hour, you can see we've left a few gaps on the way up yesterday as well, and the opportunity to get in was kind of almost played out here. We'll look at it on the 15 minutes. I don't think it would have been that clear cut, but this level here, which was the retest, remember we looked at the break of this flag there. Look at that beautiful retest on the flag, and kind of lines up with some structure. If you look at this, that tail there, and you look at how we've interacted with that, not as clear cut, but look there, there's a telltale sign how we tried to use that as a range top, and then that's what we use to bounce off with the oscillators. Group the downside. If you look at this on the 15 minute, you would see a little bit more structure. You can see clear bottom of range, below all the moving averages. Not something I would have been looking for, to be honest. Taking that with a big pinch of salt, but hindsight always a perfect science. Nice juicy inside bar, higher low here, retest of this diagonal, probably well worth the gamble. 100-point stop loss, and look at the return that you would have got on that. So 150-point stop loss, 700-point gain. Anyway, for me, the rule was yesterday wait for the break. We did get the break higher up, but it wasn't as clear cut as that, but this would have been a better gamble. So also sort of a 100-point stop loss for 350-point gain where we are now. But anyway, that's kind of the way I'm seeing this. If you look at the 15-minute now, oscillators are lining up to the downside. So you could be looking at 109.785, or alternatively, look for a break of the flag, and there's the little flag that's forming. So we need to break one of these swing highs. At the moment, it's this one that's sitting at 109.968. So we need to see a break of that, a retest of that, and I would be looking to take profit at 110, 135. I don't think it's going to shoot through that. That's going to be the line in the sand. So that's what I would be doing. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.